quietly, please. Table 1.
Yes.
Remember that we do our homework quietly and without talking.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sounds good.
And it doesn't have to be the picture that's on the board. It can be any picture you want. Just as long as it's Halloween.
My picture became cute.
Alright, let's take one more minute to finish up our drawings. Yes, ma'am. I've never done that before.
You want a scary face? Mr. May teaches how to draw this, you can draw on your face.
But remember tomorrow we can't wear scary things. We can't wear scary things tomorrow.
Oh.
Yeah. Because we have little ones here.
Like cut and
Yeah, little tiny children don't know how to know that something is fake or not yet.
what?
So if they don't know how to tell something is real or not real.
Why?
Because their brain is not ready for that yet.
Oh, they were scared.
That's a skill. It's development. As you get older, you learn how to
So
do
so
that.
if they see like we have blood and it's me, you can use pen to
Yes.
draw her head to see. Oh.
All right, is everybody finished?
Yeah. Bring a cut.
Okay, we are going to continue working, but first, it might be time to draw some more connections between our genetics and characteristics of life and cells, but I don't know yet. So we're gonna take a look at what we have and see if there's anything that we're missing. Sound good?
Yes.
Yes, no, maybe so? Okay,
Yeah.
cool. All right, for genes and DNA and chromosomes, we have chromosome and talking about sister chromatids and how when DNA wrinkles up and gets smaller, it becomes a chromosome.
Inside the nucleus.
It is inside the nucleus, you're right. And this one says DNA is inside the nucleus and it is a double helix shape, so it's that ladder that is twisty. And then it says genes determine genotype and then genotype determines phenotype. Do we remember those words?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, can we see genotype?
No.
No, genotype is the genes. Do we have a dominant and a recessive or a dominant and a dominant? That is genotype. So what would phenotype be then?
Can see.
Can see. What's an example?
Eye color.
Eye color, very good.
Finger. Number of finger.
Number of fingers, you're right.
Hmm?
Can be determined by genotype.
Number of
Okay.
head.
So, Is there anything that we're missing here?
Yes.
What?
Just DNA and chromosome. There's one thing missing.
What is missing?
Punnett square.
Punnett square goes with Gregor Mendel.
Wait, one more. I'm thinking. Meiosis.
Meiosis could go there, yeah.
So. Oh man.
Or meiosis could go with reproduction. There's one thing that is missing, and that is alleles. So we need to remember that. Let's make a note so that we don't forget. Because alleles are very, very important. They are the ones that determine what our phenotype will be. There are options. All right, so for Gregor Mendel, it says that he is the father of genetics, which is true. And then it talks about dominant and recessive genes and the pea plant experiment. So, Danny, you said one thing earlier that was missing. What was that?
Punnett square.
Punnett square. Those are important too. Alright, so for reproduction, we have sexual and asexual reproduction. So far we have cloning, vegetative reproduction, fission, regeneration, mitosis, yeah, and budding. Yep, okay, cool. Is there anything missing there?
No.
I think we got all of those. Okay, so for sexual reproduction, it said that there has to be 2 parents. And that the egg and the sperm come together to do fertilization and make a zygote. Is anything missing there?
Yes.
What?
G.
We could talk about genes there, but how do we make an egg and a sperm?
Fertilization.
That's what they do, but how do we get there? Do you remember?
Meiosis.
Meiosis, very good. Alright, so DNA and RNA, we have mutation, replication, translation, proteins, RNA, DNA, genes are segments on a chromosome, what chromosomes are made of, a picture of DNA with the nucleotides. Okay, there's one more important thing that I think is missing.
Really?
Mm-hmm. So do we remember what the part on the inside of the DNA is called?
Yes.
What?
Oh, right. I know. It's called carbohydrate.
Those are on the outside. These are the things that are apples and trees and cars and garages.
Ah, I know. I forgot the name. The name is adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, uracil.
Yes, so what are those called?
Nucleic
Very good.
acids.
Good job, Sonia. Nucleotides.
Oh yeah.
Alright. So the first 2, table 1, I want you guys to do alleles and Punnett square, okay? For table 4, I want you guys to do meiosis and nucleotides.
I will do nucleotide.
Okay, remember that we are working together. So please do not make one person do all of the work.
No, we told the Punnett square, they told the alleles. There's our one. There's one.
You're right, there is 2 parts of meiosis.
I'm just, that's not really beautiful. Beautiful.
minutes.
What?
I think you guys can do it. And then we're going to make our connection.
Do I have to make one by one?
Connection.
So the ties?
You can put them on one page.
Okay, then you do this to me. This one.
Meiosis is like mitosis, but
Meiosis.
there's two times.
One is this one.
Yes, that's the one.
Scott, go to the page where I counted Scott.
Oh, but I saw.
What? 6, 7,
Alright, I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes. And
Yes.
when it goes off, we are going to be finished and ready to go.
Yes.
Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Let's get it. Scott, where's Punnett Square? I cannot find it. We'll find it. Okay, then you do all of these, okay? Where's Scott?
I think maybe you were too far in the front. Finished. Finished. If you want to finish, if you finish one, put it, stick it on the board for me.
No, two.
Very close. Yep, right there. Got it.
It's 162, Scott. It's 162. No, I want to say. I know I already couldn't finish. Finish. Oh, I'm sorry. Not really. Not really bad. Found it? That's weird.
Yeah, you can draw it there. That would be awesome.